Hello, everyone. I want to quit my job and start my own business. Where should I start from? That is the question I'll be answering in this video. There are many people who want to quit their job and who want to start their own business because their take home cannot take them home. So, how do you go? How do they go about it? I will tell you all that in this video today. Starting your own business after quitting your job is a big and exciting step depending on how it is handled. Here is a guide on how to approach this movement or this transition. Number one is that you need to assess your skills and your passion. Start by identifying what you are passionate about and your strengths. Having a business built around something you love and are good at will keep you motivated. So, you need to look at what you love to do. What are you trained for? What are you talented for? What are you gifted for? Look for these things, and then before you go into it, what are you interested in? What normally will you do for free? If you cannot find what you can do for free, then find what you are skilled for. That normally you have gone for training and you have learned it. And then you can look at that. The next thing you need to do is to create a business plan. A solid business plan will help you go far, and it is crucial. Outline your business goals, outline your target market, outline your competition, outline your pricing strategy, and your financial projections. This will also help you stay focused and be attractive to potential investors or partners. Number three is that you need to research your market. Before I leave the issue of writing of the proposal, I can help you to write proposal, and I will help you to write it at a very giveaway price if you come through this YouTube channel. So you have to research your market. That's the next thing. Understanding your target audience, their pain points, and how your product or service solve these problems is key. Research competitors and identify gaps in the market where you can position your business. The next thing you need to do is to start small and then you test. You don't need to quit your job immediately. Consider starting your business on the side, even if it's just part time, to see if it is viable. I've seen a man who left his teaching job as a secondary school teacher in Lagos State, Nigeria, and then he left, just plunged himself into a business without testing the business. And then his family suffered for many years. And then many things happened. Eventually, they were able to bounce back, but it affected how the family would have been. So don't just leave your job and then say you are starting a business. Test the ground as you are still working. So you have salary to fall back on and to do some things with your salary. Testing and iterating will give you confidence in your business model before going full time. Now, the next thing you need to do is that you need to set a budget. You may not have money saved up, but there are many low cost business ideas and ways to bootstrap a business. You can also explore alternative funding sources or resources like crowdfunding grants or a business loan if possible. Number six is legal and financial setup. I tell people have a legal framework for your business, especially if you are forming a corporation or a partnership and you're not the sole person in the business, you have partnership with other people. Have a legal framework for your business. So you have legal and financial setup. Register your business and handle the legal aspects, such as licenses, insurance, or intellectual property. Early, set up a separate business account to keep finances organized. If you mean business from day one. Not that you say it's my salary, it's me, I'm the one. You are the one in the business. That business is you. No, the business should be business, you should be you. That is what is called the veil of incorporation. So the business is veiled while you are an individual are an identity. So if the business runs bankrupt, they cannot hold you because the business is a legal entity on its own. You too are a legal entity on your own. Then number seven, marketing and building an audience. Start building your brand and an online presence even before launching your business. Use social media, content marketing, and networking to attract potential customers. There are many people who have many businesses they are doing, they don't know how to market it online. Well, that is why this YouTube channel is here, and I'm here to assist you and to put you through. I can help you set up a Facebook YouTube channel to market your products. I have an individual who is selling oil. He goes to Ondo State to buy the oil and brings it to another location in Nigeria. That individual will do more if he starts a YouTube channel. And I'm currently training him on starting a YouTube channel. By the time he comes out, talk about the channel, talk about when he goes for the oil, talk about different aspects of the oil. And people have even seen pictures of him carrying the oil from point to point. And he knows about it and his price is good. They are going to patronize him very well. The same thing applies to your business. And if you're interested, I can help you to set it up for a very little token. Number 8 is that you need to keep your current job, if possible. If possible, consider staying in your job while your business grows, especially in the beginning stages. This will give you financial stability while you build your business without risking too much. So while you're on your job, you go from 9 to 5. What happens from 6 to 9 to 10 to 11 before you sleep? What happens? You just use it to relax. You are in transit. You should be putting that time into your business. Number 9 is that you have to leverage your network. Connect with mentors, potential customers, and other entrepreneurs. Networking can provide invaluable advice, support, and business opportunities. So reach out to other people, talk to other people, listen to other people. If you don't want to even talk to them, you can connect with mentors through YouTube. Many people in business are talking about how they did it. Recently, the MD CEO or the founder of Koskaris Group in Nigeria is speaking and he's talking about how he started. He was talking about how he was in the car traveling with his mother on a commercial vehicle, and he announced it to everybody that he was very broke, dead broke. He mentioned to everybody that in 2 years I'll be a millionaire. He said his mother shut him down and said, please, 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 Cosmos, let us enjoy this trip in peace. You have started with your flamboyant talk again. And then on and on. And but today it is history. He made it. Even before 2 years, he became a millionaire. So he was saying that apart from having the idea and everything, also be speaking it, also be saying it. Like I used to tell my wife, I say, one day I'll write a check for you of $1 million. I just say it. And I even designed a check with paper and I wrote it there and I wrote her name and I wrote million on it. You keep saying it. As you're working, you keep saying it. As you're working, you keep saying it. So number 10 is that you have to evaluate your finances carefully. If you decide to quit your job, make sure you have enough savings to cover personal and business expenses for a few months while you build your income from the business. Taking the leap to start your own business requires a combination of strategic planning, patience, and persistence. It's a challenge, but it can also be incredibly rewarding if you approach it with a clear plan and the right mindset. I know you like content like this, and that is why you have stayed glued to this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Also, like this very video, share the link of this very video you're watching with your family and friends, and also comment and ask your questions in the comment section below. Until I come your ways with more helpful videos. This video popping up from my channel right now is the next that you need to watch. All the best, guys. One love from me.